Alright, good morning guys. I'm still trying to clean up this place after opening day. We ain't digging a 9. I'm pretty sure that's some foil. But I forgot what I was thinking about. Anyways, yeah, let's see what we can find. Probably nothing major. There's a 14. Let's see. I don't have much time today. I got so much crap I got to do today. But coming metal detecting on Sunday mornings is my thing, man. Like, it just, after working all week, I don't know, it's my peace. Nope. We got a pull tab. But anyways, what I was saying, man, this is my time. It just peaceful, making you guys a YouTube video. Just worth it, man. Just worth it. But anyways, I'm gonna mosey over here where they had all the vendors set up and see if we might be able to find us some change over there. All right, guys, found us an 18. Now it's like a, oh, I think we got multiple stuff here, don't we? I'm looking for that 18 though. Dang, I don't know, man. Oh, come on. I missed it, didn't I? It's alright, because this is where people drive. It'll get packed back down. Man, this is going to be a tough one. Oh, well, there's that. That ain't worth nothing. Piece of wire off the fence. Gotta be kidding me. All that for that. Well, that sucks. Oh, let's find us something else. All right, we found us a 13-14. I say it's probably a damn pull tab. Man, this shit's packed down. it went to 12. So, man, they might be a bust. Yep, there it is. Pull tab. Damn it, man. There, I found a 19, 20. Let's see. This might actually be worth digging. Right in the bottom of the plug. Let's see if it's worth it. Hey, found a coin. Looks like we have a good old zinc penny. Well, didn't get completely skunked today, did I? Got us a 14. Oh, look, I stabbed it. Wasn't that just sweet? Freaking pull tab. Found another 1920. Should be right here somewhere. Man, this stuff's packed in there. Still hear it. I still hear it. Oh, there we go. Found another zinc penny. That over there was a bust. Man, I didn't find nothing but 2 old pennies. Wasn't even old, they're just zinc pennies, and like 3 pull tabs or 2 or something. So I come back over here to the park. Let's see if we can salvage our morning with something. Damn, dude, that's ridiculous. All right, we got us a 23. All right, I kicked it over on the other side. Hopefully it ain't this stupid can. Oh man, it was. Damn it. Freaking cans. Pick your shit up, people. All right, this might be something good here. Okay. 23, is that what it was? That's showing like a 19. All right. We might got us a copper penny this time. pretty sure it's copper. Might not be. It's awful white. Come on, what are you? I left my toothbrush at the house. I don't know. I'm sure it ain't nothing good. Where's it at? 25, 26, 20. There might be all kinds of stuff under here. We want that one. Alright, was that worth reaching back in there for? Probably not. Hope to God that ain't picking up this shit up here. Why has it been all weird, man? Oh, there it is. It was a dime. Heck yeah. That's pretty sweet. Let's see. There's a 21. Man, there's still stuff under here. All right, we got another 24, 25 here. Man, why is this shit so hard to find? Where the hell did you go? Damn, that's 26, 27 now. I think I just seen it. Yep. It's a crusty penny. Heck yeah, man. I'm pretty... Okay, there's another 19. All right. Let's see what else we can find instead of wasting a bunch of time right there. I think I'm picking up underneath that stuff. Or picking up the screws and stuff. Huh. There's all kinds of for multiple targets right here. And there's a big one. It's 28. Let's see what we got here. All right, it might have been worth coming over here. Where you at? There it is. Got another dime. $19.21.1. I don't know what the hell that is. Hell, I don't know. So I get you guys a look see here. Oh, it's under that fabric. All right, put all this back. Heck yeah, that was unexpected. This week was kind of a bust, which I've kind of hit this place pretty hard here the past couple weeks. But anyways, got some shit I got to do today. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and catch you guys next week.